What's up, homies? Please excuse the mess. Right now I'm gonna make some protein pancakes.
What protein do you use?
I use the raw protein. Well, it's what I currently use. It's my second time finishing this one up. It's really good.
He was using less before.
Yeah, I was, for the past couple of years, I've been drinking vegan protein. I heard a lot of great things about this whey one right here, and I wanted to try whey again. And I really like it because it doesn't upset my stomach or anything like that, and the consistency is not too thick, so when you blend it, it you know, shakes up real quick. Yeah, I'm actually almost out, but like every time you grab it, like you can see it like powders everywhere. It just looks like powder. Look at this, it's like so thin, you know?
Oh yeah.
Compared to like regular proteins are pretty thick. But this one's good. So we got eggs, oats, baking soda, and then we're gonna use almond milk. I'll put in half a banana. I'll eat this one right now. So we're gonna crack 4 eggs in here, about half a cup of oats, a little bit of almond milk, a little bit of baking soda, and 1 scoop of raw protein. And then we're gonna blend all this up. All right, then we're gonna heat up the pan, and we are going to use Earth Balance butter. Put a good amount on the stove. Then we got a nice consistency right here. A pancake mix, pretty much. And I learned this from Julia. Once you see bubbles start to pop when you're making pancakes, that's when it's ready to flip. You see it starting to form bubbles right there. So see, you can flip it.
Whoa, perfect.
And there you have it. Some beautiful looking protein flapjacks. We'll throw some cinnamon on here as well. Just, you know, a light sprinkle. Oh. I actually stole this recipe from C-Bum. So, you know, don't credit me if you make these. These are the Thavage pancakes.
No!
What?
You can't say that without giving context. They're gonna think you actually have a list.
He's a great fitness vlogger, one of the best, and the raw protein is actually his brand, so check it out.
Oh, that's his?
Yeah.
Look at this spider web. Can it get on the camera? I don't think so. But this fool loves to match me with his outfits. You see this outfit and the color? Okay. Now look at my outfit. My color. See? I got dressed first. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
We are headed over to Julia's mom's house. She has some furniture over there that she needs to give away because she's moving. So Juhe and Hichan and baby Reuel is coming over to, you know, grab some furniture for their house. So she's giving away furniture.
So we're gonna go oversee, and then also Russell's gonna help lift stuff because he's strong. But we just got our coffee, picked up some Pete's. They have a new drink, or unless I've never seen it before, but I got an horchata cold brew latte. With oat milk. Yeah, with oat.
It says latte. It's latte?
Yeah. It was an horchata cold brew oat latte, that's what it was. And it's so good. It's like literally like me in a drink for sure.
So they added espresso into that?
Must be. And then what'd you get?
Pumpkin latte with almond milk with an extra shot.
You are so your sister. Casey loves like fall things and like pumpkin spice lattes and all that stuff.
I saw it, and today or this morning it's pretty gloomy, so I was like, you know, if it's the weather. Can you guys recommend me a car tripod, because this is getting really tiring on my arm, just holding it out.
Is it like a workout for you? Oh, they just got there.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, after the gym, especially when I'm so tired.
True.
Can't even lift my arm.
Probably on Amazon, we'll find one.
Yeah.
Where
in the car we put it right there?
Like for sure here, because like this is a good angle for you, and then it could get both of us if it was here too. Sure. And then I could just lean like this. Hello. Look who made it in the vlog.
Oh, am I gonna
This
be
is
it?
Miss Juhei.
Hello.
Yes.
Camera shy now.
What? Why?
I'm too shy.
I'm gonna stalk you.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We are moving some stuff from Mama's house.
In this big van.
Yes.
We're just waiting for baby Reuel to wake up so he could play with us. Let's go see.
Steak and beef. I stick with like chicken and seafood. I eat a lot of salmon. Raw or cooked? One second, ladies.
Oh, sorry. We're in the way.
Unhelpful.
We're just out here being cute while they left. There's a baby in the car and they're gonna stuff this thing in there.
Oh, hey,
Oh, baby. Hi, baby. Oh,
His name is Reuel.
Hey, Reuel.
wow.
Oh
my God. Here, you hold this.
Oh, you're shy.
Are you shy?
Are you cute? Are you shy?
But remember, you weren't shy before. Oh, you're shy, baby. How's your nap? Oh my God, look at that. Look.
Yeah, they're so cute.
I know. Hi.
Weep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I missed you.
Look at these
I just saw you a few days ago, but I missed you.
Oh. Oh, he's so shy.
He likes you, babe.
I know.
Hi. So cute. Oh, car.
I'm your emo boo, dude.
Emo boo. Emo. Are you camera shy?
High five.
Really, we're gonna make you famous.
You cute, okay.
So we just finished helping them move into the U-Haul, and then we're gonna get something to eat.
Yeah, isn't Reuel just the cutest thing, guys?
He is so cute.
Last time I saw him, he was literally like half that size.
Yeah, he's
And,
growing so
yeah,
fast.
I love how he's happy. He's a good boy.
Oh, and I can't wait to hold him. He just has to warm up a little bit because he just woke up from his nap.
Julia's had baby fever for the past years.
You too. You more now this year. I was
That's-
like, I told him, I was like, it's a lot of work. Like, you're gonna lose your sleep. But, you know, they require a lot of your attention and your time. And he's like, it's okay. He
Yeah, I
just
feel
wants
like
you,
for my
baby.
baby, I wouldn't give up. Dang.
Yeah. But he wants a girl. He wants a little girl.
Yeah, I don't mind either, but I could see myself really loving a girl.
I told him I'll get jealous.
It's a different kind of love. My love.
You don't love her more than me. No, it's okay. You should love the daughter more. Look at that.
Hi, buddy.
Your hat
Oh my
is
gosh.
so cute.
You're so happy today, huh?
Look at that. What is...
Is that a cat hat?
Are you a cat?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Hey, buddy.
Is you ready?
Smile. Hey.
You're so cute.
There you go.
Look like a
Yes.
my head.
Natural.
Babe, look.
I love that.
Say hi.
Yeah, it is like a burger.
It's so tiny. It looks like a bonnet, like with all the That's your mama right there. Look at your mama. That's your mom. Be proud.
No way.
No way.
What's up, man?
Nice chicken.
What? What's up, dude? Bro? How are you, man?
Oh my gosh.
You didn't like it?
You actually
He's comfy.
Watch TV. And then there's another thing. If you think
Competition.
but I don't even watch it. Get your chair! And Sunday.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Well, that was so fun.
That was so fun. Oh, I missed him already. I miss my Reuel.
I miss my Whey too.
He likes you more. No,
Yeah.
no, he doesn't like you more.
You guys see that? He left Julia for me.
And then he didn't want to come back to me. He went to Russell.
I have that fatherly touch.